Let me take you on a little journey. Imagine walking into your home after a long day. It's clean. Everything has its place. Feels peaceful, right? Let me show you how I did it with Amazon Home Organization, gadgets you must have in 2025. It all started in my bathroom. Silicone toothbrush holders. I was tired of toothbrushes tipping over and razors falling in the sink. Then I found these silicone toothbrush holders. They just stick to the wall like magic. No drills, no mess, just neat little hooks that keep everything upright and within reach. Tea bag organizer. I'm a tea lover, but the tea bag chaos in my drawer? A nightmare. Enter the tea bag organizer. It's clear, compact, and suddenly I felt like a tea sommelier instead of a tea hoarder. Mini bag sealer. And oh, the open chip bags. I used to fold them, clip them, pray they'd stay fresh. Then came the mini bag sealer. Just swipe and seal. Snacks stay crisp, and my inner control freak sleeps better at night. Storage Ottoman. My entryway used to look like a tornado hit it. Shoes, bags, clutter. Then I got this chic storage ottoman. It hides the mess and gives you a spot to sit while putting your shoes on. Stylish and sneaky. FUTASSI clothes rack. When my closet hit capacity, I needed backup. The FUTASSI clothes rack became my minimalist hero. It's sleek, rolls around, and holds enough for weekly outfit planning. Magnetic door stopper. Ever had a door slam wake you up from a nap? Yeah, me too. That's why I installed a magnetic door stopper. It's oddly satisfying and incredibly effective. Hanging toiletry bag. Packing for trips used to be chaotic until I started using this hanging toiletry bag. It unfolds, hangs, and suddenly everything has its place, even on the go. Grocery bag dispenser. Raise your hand if your grocery bags have a drawer of their own. Guilty. I ditched the drawer and got a grocery bag dispenser. Stainless steel, wall-mounted, and honestly, a game changer. And then I decided it was time to make my space smarter, not just neater. Smart electric curtain track. I used to wrestle with curtains every morning. Now, one tap and they glide open like magic. Compatible with Alexa, perfect for lazy mornings. Feels like I live in a luxury hotel. Electric fireplace. My evenings needed a little extra warmth. This fireplace adds heat, glow, and zero mess. Thermostat controlled, modern, and wall mounted. Total vibe for reading, sipping tea, or binging shows. Levitating plant. A plant that floats mid-air? Yes, please. It spins gently and steals the spotlight in any room. No wires, just pure magnetic magic. Guests can't stop staring, and neither can I. Smoke detector, fire alarm. Late night peace matters, and this little hero ensures it. It's smart, sends alerts to my phone the second smoke appears. The battery's long-lasting, and setup took just minutes. Now I sleep easier, knowing safety is always on. Drying rack. I hated seeing clothes draped over chairs. This rack folds out from the wall, sleek and strong. When I'm done, it disappears like it was never there. My laundry space looks 10 times tidier now. Yale keyless door lock. Keys? Who needs them? I just punch in my code and walk right in. It's smart, secure, and perfect for forgetful folks like me. No more lockouts, ever. SwitchBot button pusher. This tiny gadget changed everything. It literally presses switches for me. Lights, coffee, whatever. Works with voice assistants too. Feels like living in the future, honestly. Cold brew maker. Iced coffee cravings hit hard at home. This cold brew maker brews rich, smooth coffee overnight. No cafe runs, no long waits. Just pour and go. Every morning is better now. Level smart lock. It's like a smart lock in disguise. All the tech hides inside the deadbolt. No bulky add-ons. I control it with my phone, and it looks classic. Security meets sleek design, and I'm here for it. Smart closet lighting. Dark closet mornings? Not anymore. These lights turn on when I open the door. No wires, just rechargeable and motion sensing. My outfits look better under proper lighting too. Smart water leak detector. The day it caught a leak early, I knew it was worth it. It beeps and sends alerts straight to my phone. Great for bathrooms, laundry rooms, or under sinks. Peace of mind in a tiny device. Leather tray organizer. I used to toss my keys wherever. Now they live in this gorgeous leather tray. Perfect for jewelry, remotes, or random bits. One tray to rule the chaos on my counters. Basket cart. I needed something that could roll with me. Literally. This basket cart holds everything from snacks to towels. It slides into corners, hides mess, and moves with ease. Decluttering now feels almost fun. Laundry basket with wheels. No more dragging piles of clothes across the house. This basket rolls like a suitcase and looks chic too. It's spacious, sturdy, and folds flat when not in use. Laundry day feels a little less dreadful now. Shoe organizer. My entryway was a chaotic shoe museum. This rack turned it into a Pinterest-worthy spot. It stacks neatly, saves space, and looks clean. I actually see the floor again. Mouthwash dispenser. No more tipping the bottle and spilling. Just press and swish. This dispenser makes it easy. Perfect for the whole fam, and it looks sleek. Clean mouth, clean countertop. Cute bathtub overflow. Drain cover. Baths should be full and bubbly, right? This adorable cover lets the tub fill higher, safely. It's functional and fun. Mine looks like a whale. More water, more relaxation. Portable candy cleansing towel. A towel that looks like candy. I'm obsessed. Pop one in water and it expands like magic. Perfect for guests or travel. Cute and super useful. It's weird, it's wonderful, and it works. Silicone sink splash guard. Tired of water pooling around the sink? This splash guard sticks on and stays put. Keeps counters dry and clean up quick. Simple fix, major upgrade. Shelf wall outlet extender. I needed more outlets and more shelf space. This extender gives both. Plugs below, platform on top. Charge your phone while holding your diffuser? Yes. A multitasker's dream setup. Wall-mounted laundry basket. Tiny bathroom? No problem. This basket mounts right onto the wall. Toss clothes in without sacrificing floor space. It's a game changer for tight spots. Touchless faucet. This made me feel like I live in a smart kitchen. No need to touch. Just wave your hand. Saves water, keeps things sanitary. Perfect for messy cooks like me. Magnetic rack for fridge. My fridge was covered in chaos. This rack sticks on and organizes spices, foil, and more. No drilling, no mess, just instant extra storage. Kitchen counters are breathing easy now. Water bottle organizer. My bottles kept toppling like dominoes. This shelf stacks them horizontally, no more tumbles. Fits in the fridge or pantry and looks super tidy. Hydration station activated. Clip-on desk pen holders. Pens used to vanish into the desk abyss. Now they live in these cute clip-on holders. They snap onto shelves, desks, even bed frames. Small fix, big productivity boost. Automatic water dispenser. And lastly, no more heavy lifting. This touch-controlled dispenser saves my back. USB rechargeable with an LED display. It feels high-tech and sleek. One tap and water flows smoothly. Perfect for bottles and jugs. It's portable, powerful, and makes hydration a breeze. And just like that, your home's smarter, tidier, and way more fun to live in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because more genius finds are coming your way. Thanks for watching Things from Mars.